Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nabil Asim. I'm a motivational speaker, a corporate professional and a life coach. And yes, I do drive BMW. Since last 18 years, I have been reading about motivation, inspiration and life coaching. In all those years, I have read hundreds of biographies of business tycoons. I have read many motivational books like Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, to name a few. Besides that, I have read and listened to the world famous authors like Brian Tracy, Anthony Robbins, Stephen R. Covey, Simon Sinek, Dale Carnegie, to name a few. Based on my extensive studies, if you would ask me, what is that one thing, one advice or one suggestion that you would like to give to the people who wants to be mighty successful or simply who wants to be a billionaire? What is that one thing in one sentence? No big speeches, no nonsense. Just one sentence that you would say to the people that if they follow, it will change their life. What is that one thing? Then I would say that the one thing that a person should do in order to be mighty successful is improving yourself on daily basis. Now, let me explain that. Improvement simply means trying to bring efficiency in whatever you do. A person's daily routine can be divided into 3 things: his personal life, his professional life, and his religious life. ये 3 वो कॉमन एरियाज हैं जिसके अंदर हर बंदा चाहता है कि वो इन 3 एरियाज को इंप्रूव करे. Now, I will give you one example कि आप अपने पर्सनल लाइफ को कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं. And I will give my own example. So, in the breakfast, I take a very decent breakfast. So I put cereals, milk, and some nuts, chia seeds, honey, and all. Initially, when I started preparing my breakfast, how it used to be that I'm gonna pick milk from one side, cereals on the other side, nuts from the third side, honey from the fourth side, and chia seeds from somewhere else. So just to prepare one meal, I have to go to 5 different places to gather the ingredients of my breakfast. What I have started doing is, I have started putting all the things at one place. What happened? My efficiency increased because then I don't need to go here and there. I will go only one place and that's it. Everything is available there. This is a very simple and a very basic example of how you can improve your routine task and how you can bring efficiency in what you do on daily basis. Believe me, life is all about improving yourself on daily basis, because what happens once you do that, it will create a sense of achievement, and that sense of achievement is the secret ingredient to drive you forward. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and please share this content with other people as well. Thank you.